Okay, put him in a sitting position. Put him down. Okay, let him do his thing.
Good, Daddy.
No, he's going to stand up. He's going to play with the toy. All right, we're going into the crawling demonstration. Hello. Let's see that form. Come here.
Let's play with this toy.
Good job. Ooh. Mommy's having a lot of fun with the toy. Hold it for him and he'll pull himself up.
Wow!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, without external assistance, he is now pulling himself up. Push the button and he'll do it. Agadabagadibu, who am I? Dada. 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 Say Dada.
Dada.
Mama. Dada. A, E, U, A, O.
Dada.
Dada. Okay. Let's see some more crawling.
Okay, crawling. Okay.
Oh, honey, get the dog cat toy.
The what? Oh yeah. Where is it?
It's right there, honey.
Oh, the monkey. Oh, the monkey? What's
No,
the
the
monkey?
one with the dog and the cat on it there.
Oh.
Now, for those of you who watched a week or so ago, he was not able to close the distance. But now he can. Yes, look at that form. The athleticism. I tell you, we've heard this tune a few times here at the Dubiner household. Da 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 da. Go get it, Aiden. Go get it. Yeah. Go ahead. See if he can crawl up into your lap. Okay, that's about it. That's all from Singapore. Big developments in standing. We had to lower the crib thing so he can't crawl out. Yes, there's the wall of grandparents. Hi, grandparents. Okay, see you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Da-da.
Ready? Mwah! Mwah! Mwah!
Okay, bye-bye.